Setting up our table in preparation of Black History Month was an honor. These beautifully designed plates are from Oyalakan dinners. The vastness of African Americans' accomplishments is built through courage, hope, faith, determination, resilience, and so much more. I'm thinking of triple chocolate cake on these dessert plates to celebrate. This is worth celebrating not only in February. With God, all things are possible. Our family is unapologetically Black and Christians, speaking in the same faith of Harriet Tubman and Nat Turner. I enhanced the table with sunflowers to bring out the colors of Black History Month. The yellow represent wealth and prosperity, including the richness of the African continent. The green represents the land, the future, and the hope for a brighter tomorrow. Red represents the bloodshed and struggle of those who fought for freedom. And yes, Black symbolizes us, the people of African descent. No matter where you're at, Black History Month should be honored and celebrated.